Hi, my name is Dawn. I'm one of the personal trainers and wellness specialists here at Genesis Place. I'm here today to show you how to use the glute drive. This machine here works primarily your glutes and your hamstrings, so let me show you how it works. I've already added my weight to the glute drive, so you're gonna hop on, you're gonna sit on the back pad, you're gonna wrap the belt around your hips, not your belly or your legs. You're gonna ensure it's nice and snug. Engage in your lower back to the back pad. You're gonna drive through your heels, lifting up your hips, disengage the lock. You're gonna come down, press up, squeeze in those glutes, come down, press up, squeeze in again, down, press up, and then you're gonna re-rock and gently put down. If you have any further questions regarding the glute drive or any other machine here at Genesis Place in the weight room, you can actually book a weight room orientation, which takes about approximately 30 minutes. It's free with your pass. Just come to the desk and you can book a session with us.